Good morning, guys. I'm sorry it's been a while. I've been working my bike off, so have me and Ronnie. Yeah, I'm in a BMW. You guys probably have not seen this. I should input some images of how we picked it up and stuff, but I was too busy working, I didn't do that. So sorry for not thinking about you guys. However, we got a very, very big surprise. And I'm actually so excited, because what this means is we're expanding the business and the business is transitioning. Well, I say business, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm really happy, and I wanted to share this little journey with you guys. So come along. We are in Stansted as usual, and we are heading up to Leeds or Wakefield to pick up a special surprise, and then the trip is going to involve picking up 2 more special surprises. So I'll let you work that out. For now, I'm at Ronnie's house. Let's see him and let's go to Leeds.
What we do here is go back.
Morning, mate.
Too early for this shit.
Too early. Sorry, mate. I'm 5 minutes early. I apologise, mate. I apologise. Fucking look at this, mate.
2 phones, mate. Fucking mate.
Hold up, mate. Look, we got that money, and we got a face mask, and this money. What are we collecting today?
Oh, mate, keys everywhere.
Have you got everything, mate?
No, I ain't got a jumper, that's for sure. It's freezing.
Freezing. Fucking midst of summer, and he's moaning that it's fucking freezing.
In about 3 hours time, mate, I'll be moaning that it's too hot.
Yeah, probably.
You know why it's cold?
What?
It's so fucking early, mate, the sun hasn't been out yet.
The sun looks very much out to me, mate. First things first, we need to move a Volvo that we bought the other day. It's got a towing hitch, and so does this BM. That might give you another clue as to what we're doing today. Hello, mate. Can I get a double sausage egg McMuffin, please? On its own, please.
Anything else?
Can I get another one of those, but a meal?
What drink?
With no cheese, please.
What drink would you like?
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Unfortunately, we're not doing those running in this venue.
What, a cappuccino?
Sorry, I said frappuccino.
No, it's alright. That's it, thank you.
Cheers.
Lovely, thank you. Alright. Does it feel like?
I don't know.
Do you know what's...
You're still
what? Do you know what's really fucking annoying, mate?
What?
I try to be nice, innit? And then you just get some miserable fucking cunt on the fucking desk, mate.
I was gonna say, you're a bell end anyway, mate. I don't give a fuck.
Who, me?
You could give someone £1 million, mate, and I'll still call you a bell end for smashing up this car.
That's the one, yeah. Oh, I've got to pay for it. I've got to pay for it. Walked around like that. Cheers, lad. Have a good day, yeah? I like that little smile, mate. You see that little smile, bro? I like that. Do you know what? The camera's facing the fucking ceiling, mate. Do you know what's bad about this car as to what we're doing and what we're picking up today? The steering lock is horrendous.
Might be in.
Huh?
Alright, so the steering lock's horrendous.
And it's a very long car, isn't it?
Oh, right, okay, I got you, mate. I thought you meant the steering lock is in the fucking key.
What?
The steering lock, innit? Like, as in,
right.
I was like, why does the steering lock bother you? Yeah.
Is that what he's trying to do?
Do you know what I'm going to call this car, mate? The hearse. It is a hearse, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. That's black as well, yeah. It's black with fancy interior, mate. That's definitely a hearse.
Yeah. We need like little black top hats.
Well, I don't. Yeah. Maybe. It's a bit noisy, guys. I apologise. But, as you can see behind me, we have a trailer on top of another trailer, pulled by our fantastic BM. And this is us moving up in the game, man. Trailer removals. Follow us up.
Trailers.
If you want
a trailer or a car, we want to know about it.
If you want a trailer transported, follow us up. We bought a fucking trailer!
And it is somewhere over there, man. We bought 2. Well, we didn't buy two, bought one, but we got one free at the side of the road. We don't know if the car mate. We are driving. Well, we just picked it up from where? Wakefield. Yeah, Wakefield, something like that. And we are now driving into the rain to Wisby, whatever the fuck you want to call it, mate. Stupid name, Norfolk. We're going to Norfolk where there's silly names and six fingers. You see, by the way, this is the car that we paid fuck all for, and we have fixed.
I haven't actually told him yet.
Oh, have you? Oh, well, now you know, mate.
We paid £250 for this car.
Yeah.
Well, basically 3 legs were gone. The 2 rear air suspension were down, and one of the legs had completely scored the tyre because the spring had broke. And we fixed the leg on the side of the road.
Well, before we even left, didn't we? It was smoking down the road. We decided to angle grind the spring outside the owner's house, and then it was still rubbing the fucking tyre. In fact, I got a video of that still. You can edit that in, mate. I didn't put that into it right. No. Wish we had that day on film, man. That was a good day.
Yeah, I should have.
Right, there's so much drama.
It was a day where it was like, oh, I'm only going to pick up a BM. There's no point in filming. I wasn't really in the mood.
Yeah.
Although it was the day to film because
the amount of shit
on my TikTok, my Snapchat story. You know the fucking the sunroof for the song.
Yeah.
If you haven't checked that out, go and add me on Snapchat. Link is in the description.
And no one's gonna click it. But yeah,
absolutely.
What else? So yeah, we sorted that out, didn't we? Took the fucking, and then here it is. We fixed the air suspension on the back. We fixed the coilover.
You make it clean.
It managed to make 1.2 bar of boost by clearing the engine codes. Magic. Love that trick. And what else did we do? Yeah, gave it a clean. That was it. And it has made it. It's a good, reliable motor with. Show my rep doesn't come up. 213,000 miles. And we're pulling a fucking trailer. We'll have to show it all, they'll see it anyway. Oh my god, mate. That weather! Anyway, the trailer's fucking massive.
A lot bigger than what we need.
It's about the size of a Cadillac.
What is it, 15 foot by 6 point something? And that's just the bed.
Yeah. We could fit this car on it easily and have room. You can see that. Oh, to be fair, it looks pathetic on camera. And I'm back in the game because I got my fucking milkshake. And as Sean knows, I need my sugar intake. Otherwise I start dying out in the car and not talking to him.
Hanging out fucking driving like this, mate, like down the road and you're there fucking like this, mate.
Oh look, mate, a rainbow, mate. And you're not going to pick. Oh no, you're not going to pick that up. If you had a fucking decent camera, Sean, man, we would have caught that rainbow.
Listen, if they subscribe, like I've said before, then I'll get a decent camera. And if I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll buy another camera. How about that? How about that?
And they're going to go. No.
So if you're watching this and you're not
They haven't even watched it this far.
Yeah, true. If you have watched it this far and you're not subscribed, then please go and bloody subscribe.
Right. And if you don't have a YouTube account, go on someone else's YouTube account, subscribe, and then they'll know who the fuck.
Go on your mum's account, your brother's account, your dad's account, your stepdad, your sister, your boyfriend's account, and fucking subscribe, alright, boy? Otherwise, I'm not showing you anything that I do anymore. Alright? It's game over. I'm not showing you anything.
Oh,
nothing.
mate.
You're not going to see these MX5'S.
Yeah, you're not going to see us jackknife the trailer.
You have to go, if you wanted to...
Sure, mate.
Huh?
What you want to do right now, mate, is go have a look at the back of the trailer, mate.
The back of the trailer? Wait, why? Oh no! How long has that been like that? Oh, we lost the rest of it.
You can't even hook it up. Fuck's sakes.
What did you say as well? You should do these up.
I should probably do these up.
But how did this fall off?
I don't know.
That's the magnetic bit, isn't it?
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Fucking shit. Oh, that sucks. That may be a problem.
We are locked and loaded. Ronnie is shitting himself. He's very Ronnie is very apprehensive. He's not enjoying. He's not.
It's alright, mate. Don't worry about them lights.
Ronnie's not enjoying the suspense of this journey, are you, mate?
No.
You're hating it.
I'm done.
We got a very not so great tyre, which is a bit flat, so we're going to pump some air into it. We got a car on the thing, and everyone in the comments is going to go, oh, you can't strap it like that. And I'm going to say, fuck off. Oh yeah.
What about the fucking trailer in the car, mate?
Well, it didn't fit on the side, you see, so we had to put a trailer in the MX5 on the back of the VM, on the back of our big trailer, mate. So far the trailer's okay.
So far.
BM, however, is blowing smoke and has a...
Well, the trailer's not right, mate.
Why? Because of the light?
Well,
light and
the
tyre?
tyres are fucked.
Yeah,
The
tyres are
lights,
fucked.
you have to indicate left to go right.
Yeah, that's weird.
That's like almost off the fucking one.
You reckon? Do we need to, can we put air in it as it is like that?
Yeah. I bet it's a ripper.
Let's get drinks anyway.